well and enjoying your Sunday so far. In this video, I'm inviting all the YouTuber friends to join me on my seasonal coffee table decor challenge summer 2020. But before I go into details about the coffee table decor challenge, I just want to remind you a challenge that I'm doing with Forlisa over at the Homebody with Forlisa. And don't forget, Tropical Vibes collab invite video is already on, and I'm doing this one, as I said, with Forlisa. And the rules are very simple. You just need to style your table or tray using Tropical Vibes and it's open to interpretation.
Hi guys, as you heard in the beginning of the video, this is another collab for a tablescape. I know it's a little bit different than what I've been doing, but I thought this would be a bit of fun. So here I am going ahead and wiping down the table that I'm going to be using for my first design. Enjoy. I'm coming back and drying everything down to make sure that the surface is prepared for my items. And here you're going to see me go ahead and place down the items for our first design, which is going to be our tropical theme. Everything you see here is items that we actually had lying around the house. I just decided to do this at the very last minute. And these pieces that you're seeing right now are items that I actually had from Dollar Tree. The Chanel candles that you're seeing here are items that I actually created on my own using a bit of pre-cut vinyl. Here's a bit of apple ginger oil to set the mood. Now we're on to our next tablescape. This is going to be your coastal theme, and this was actually a lot of fun to incorporate. I decided to use my DIY from my last video in order to complete the look. This is also another Chanel candle created by myself. It's a Dollar Tree candle. I'm not sure if they still carry this, but this is something I had on hand. I must admit, this was definitely a lot of fun to be a part of. I appreciate the ladies for allowing us to do the collab. It was definitely an open invite, so I appreciate that as well. And I hope you guys check out the playlist. And don't forget to like, share,